Hello everyone, this is Calgary Astronomy News, and today I'm going to talk to you about Week 24, June 9th to June 15th. This week, we will have an event that occurs once per year, the opposition of Jupiter. Of course, the days and weeks after the event will be great as well, since the big planet comes into view for casual observers who don't like to stay up late. When a planet is said to be in opposition, it means it is directly opposite the Sun from the point of view of the Earth. On June 10th, Jupiter will be in opposition and will rise as the Sun sets. Earth will be at its closest point to the big planet this year. It will be at its brightest and largest. Many planetary imagers spend time around oppositions taking pictures. Saturn will soon follow Jupiter a couple hours later in the southern sky. The ringed planet approaches opposition during the middle of July. To find Jupiter, check out the bright object in the southeast sky sometime after 10 or 10:30. In other news, the moon will reach its first quarter phase during the evening of Sunday, July 9th, and will be well positioned for great observing. The moon will then move into conjunction with the dwarf planet Ceres. Ceres is conveniently located above the tip of the Scorpion's tail. It will get as close as 1.25 degrees above Beta Scorpii and fit in many telescopic fields of view. Watch this region of space over a few days and you will see Ceres move amongst the background stars. There's going to be one rocket launch scheduled for this week, with a Falcon 9 taking 3 radar Earth observation satellites into space for the Canadian Space Agency. Now, this will occur on June 12th. If you are looking for a good object in the sky to tell your friends about, look for Messier 4. This globular cluster is located just to the west of Antares. Antares is the bright red star in Scorpius in the southern sky. If you can find Jupiter, look just to the southwest, and you should see a bright red naked-eye star. A lot of people confuse it with Mars due to the ruddy color and relative brightness. In fact, the name Antares means the adversary of Ares, or the adversary of the god of war. Mars is a god of war in the Roman pantheon. When you find Antares, immediately put it into your binocular field. You should see a cluster of stars, or a blurry patch of light, just to the west. This is Messier 4, which sits more than 7,000 light-years away. It is a very large object, and measures nearly 75 light-years across. Spend some time outside under clear skies this week, and point out some spring constellations to your friends, including Leo, Virgo, and Boötes. If you have a friend with a telescope, be sure to seek them out, and have them pointed at Jupiter. Well, that's it for this week, but join us next week as we'll talk about Week 25 and the many things happening in the sky. I wish you clear skies and tell you to always keep looking up.